Ever walked down a bustling city street and wondered just how many people live in that city? It's a staggering number, right? Millions, sometimes tens of millions, all going about their daily lives. Now, think about that same concept applied to a bank. Not just any bank, but a major player in the financial world like Truist. How many customers do you think they serve? Millions? Tens of millions? The answer might surprise you. We live in a world increasingly reliant on financial institutions. From managing our paychecks to securing loans for homes or businesses, banks play a crucial role in our economic lives. And with the rise of digital banking, these institutions have expanded their reach exponentially. So, when we talk about a bank like Truist, formed from the merger of BB&T and SunTrust, we're talking about an organization with a vast network and a significant customer base. Before we dive into the specific numbers, let's take a moment to understand the scale of Truist. This isn't a small local bank. It's a major force in the U.S. banking sector, operating across a large geographical area. The merger that created Truist was one of the largest bank mergers in recent history, combining two well-established institutions with long histories. This means they inherited a substantial pre-existing customer base from both BB&T and SunTrust. Now, why is knowing the number of clients a bank serves important? Well, it tells us a few key things. First, it gives us an idea of the bank's market share and overall size. A larger customer base generally indicates a larger market presence and greater influence within the industry. Second, it can be an indicator of the bank's stability and financial health. A large, diverse customer base can provide a more stable revenue stream. Finally, it speaks to the bank's reach and impact on the economy. A bank serving millions of customers plays a significant role in facilitating financial transactions and economic activity. So, let's get down to the big question. How many clients does Truist Bank serve? The answer is approximately 10 million households. That's a massive number, representing a significant portion of the U.S. population. Think about it. 10 million households. That translates to potentially tens of millions of individual customers, considering that many households consist of multiple individuals. This figure places Truist among the largest banks in the United States. It's a testament to the scale of the merger that created the institution and the combined reach of its predecessor banks. It also highlights the significant role Truist plays in the financial lives of millions of Americans. Now, it's important to understand what we mean by clients or households in this context. This typically refers to primary banking relationships, meaning households or individuals who have a primary checking or savings account with Truist. It doesn't necessarily include every single person who might have a credit card or a small loan through the bank. It represents the core customer base that relies on Truist for their primary banking needs. It's also worth noting that this number can fluctuate over time. Banks constantly acquire new customers and may also lose some customers due to various reasons. However, the figure of approximately 10 million households provides a good overall picture of Truist's customer base. Beyond the sheer number, it's important to consider the diversity of Truist's client base. These 10 million households represent a wide range of demographics, income levels, and financial needs. From individuals managing their personal finances to small businesses seeking loans and large corporations requiring complex financial services, Truist caters to a broad spectrum of clients. This diversity is a strength for the bank. It helps to mitigate risk and ensures a more stable revenue stream. It also requires the bank to offer a wide range of products and services to meet the diverse needs of its customers. Now, let's put this number into perspective. There are roughly 130 million households in the United States. Truist serving approximately 10 million of those means they hold a significant market share. It positions them as a major player in the competitive U.S. banking landscape. This also has implications for the bank's operations. Serving 10 million households requires a massive infrastructure, including thousands of branches, ATMs, and a robust digital banking platform. It also requires a large workforce to manage customer service, process transactions, and provide financial advice. The scale of Truist's operations is a testament to its size and influence. It's a complex organization with a vast network and a significant impact on the economy. The number of clients they serve is a key indicator of this scale. So, to recap, Truist Bank serves approximately 10 million households, making it one of the largest banks in the United States. This figure represents a significant market share and highlights the bank's important role in the financial lives of millions of Americans. It also speaks to the scale of the organization and its impact on the economy. Knowing this number gives us a better understanding of the banking landscape and the role that major institutions like Truist play in our society. It's a reminder of the vast interconnectedness of our financial system and the importance of these institutions in facilitating economic activity. It also gives context when we hear about news or changes related to Truist as a company. We can understand the potential impacts on a very large customer base. It's easy to think of banks as abstract entities, but they're made up of people, both employees and customers. 10 million households is a huge number that represents real people with real financial needs. It's a number that underscores the responsibility that Truist has to its customers and to the broader economy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.